Hello guys, in this example we're going to talk about Nuxt 3 layouts. Oh, how does my hair look? It looks terrible, right? I think I didn't comb it, but hey, look. So a layout is pretty much something that will sort of cover the content of your app. So if you look here, we have this header here, and then we have this footer here, right? So that's a layout, meaning that it will, all the content of your app is going to be between those layouts, you know. But Nuxt is very flexible in that you can change things around. You can use different layouts. So for example, let's go here. Not this one, this app here. So you see how we have a header and a footer here, and we have a slot. So for all layouts, all your layouts should be in a folder called layout, just like this, right? And then the default is like the layout that Nuxt will go to first. That's like the, you know, the official, or the, if you only have one layout, that's where it should be. So as you can see in this layout, right? First of all, you have the template, since it's a view file, and then you have a div here, and then a header component, and then a footer component. And I divided it like this just so it's easier to see. So if you look at the components here, are header and footer are right here. We don't need to look at them. We're just going to look at the layouts. So this slot is what Nuxt is going to put every page that goes into, that should be in between the header and the footer. So for example, let's say we have app here. App here is Nuxt page. This is a multi-page Nuxt 3 application. So the slot is where the page will go in between. So when we go to here, we have home, about, contact, and that's how Nuxt 3 layouts work. So what if you wanted to add a different layout? Let's look at something more, a little bit more advanced. Let's look at this Nuxt 3 authentication starter kit. It's built with Bootstrap 5. And so you have a header here, and you have a footer here. And when you look at this, right, we can go to, this is the code here. So you have a container, you have the navigation, then you have a footer, and this is what we're looking at. Then you have slot here. But what if you wanted to add your own, a different layout? So the way you would do that is right in layouts here, I'm going to create a file, and we're just going to call it custom and view. And then we're going to say template. And then I'm just going to get one of those examples from Bootstrap, right? We're just going to go to get an example, Bootstrap 5 examples. So right here, and I'm going to get one of these headers. Let's say we grabbed this one right here. I'm going to view the page source, and it should be right about here. I'm just going to grab this header right there, put it right in between there. Now this, we're using Bootstrap 5, and the default layout has this here. So we're just calling it once, which is, you really maybe could put it in your package.json, but this is an example starter kit, and I don't want to force people to use their to have to use Bootstrap. But it's here, it's called once, which is kind of efficient. So how do we add that custom layout? So what you do is say we have default here, right, which is the main layout, but we want to add the other layout right underneath it. When you look at the page right now, it looks like this. No, not like that. It looks like this. So we're going to add a layout here, and the way you do that here is that you type Nuxt Nuxt layout, and I'm just gonna call one, and then we're gonna say name equals custom. And what that would do is it's gonna go get this custom layout and plug it right underneath or in between the other layout, and it's gonna look like this. You see that? That looks pretty nice, huh? So this is the custom layout. I mean, this is the default layout, and you have the footer here, and then this is the custom layout which we added. And this is good when you want to do things like, say, what if you when you're logged in and you want to have a different header here. So this is how this works. By the way, if you like the way this app looks, this is the free starter kit. It comes with authentication already built in. It is the full stack Nuxt 3 application. So if you want that, just click the link below. But if you want something simpler and easier, we have this Nuxt 3 starter kit as well. It's based on Tailwind, and it comes with, let's look at here, it comes with pages, plugins. It also comes with a little bit of TypeScript, so you know that, something to help you get started building your Nuxt 3 application. So hey, I hope you like this video. If you want this free starter kit, just click the link below, and let me know how you like this video. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Next time I think I'm gonna do my hair better. All right, this is kind of bright too, right? All right, sounds good. I will talk to you soon.